Okay, continue with our story. And Lucy, remember that Lucy take some brownies. Okay, continue. The children are on the bus. Look the bus and look the children. They are on the bus. What do you have to share? Lucy asks them to share, okay? Compartir. I have some chips and some cheese dip, Davy says. Okay, continue. Delicious chips, remember? Ah, I love the chips. Great! I love dip. How much do you have? 2 cans, Davy said. The school bus arrives at the ant up area in the forest. Look the students in the area, picnic area. The children are very excited, very happy. Ah, yes! Mrs. Johnson asks them to form groups of four, okay? One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4 children is a group and start collecting plants and flowers. This is the instruction. Collect plants and flowers. Okay, she also asks them to observe the insects and the other animals in their habitat and to make note. Okay, this is the instruction. Group of 4 students is a one group and draw or collect plants and flowers and only look the insects and other animals and take note or make note. Susie, look, okay, Susie, wait for me one moment. Lucy, Susan, David, and Bob are on the same team, okay, in the same group. They are one group. They walk along the path, in this path, okay, walk. They are any animals, Bob says. No animals. They don't look any animals. There are if you look carefully, Lucy tells him. Okay? Lucy say, please look more carefully. Yes? And try to look. David drew an interesting beetle. Susan draws a dragonfly. And Lucy draws a beautiful butterfly. Okay? Bob collects some leaves and flowers. Look, said David. What's that inside that cave? Oh, look that. Wow, exclaimed Lucy. It's a baby bear. Look, the baby bear, I love them. Great! We have the best sample, say Bob. It's great. Let's take it back and show the other. Okay? They looked, the baby bear. Oh, let's back and show the other the baby. He looks hungry, Lucy says. He's hungry. Ooh, hungry. Give him a brownie. Look, look, the brownie, and give him a brownie. Susan opens the container with the brownies. Suddenly there is a huge roar. 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 The children run, but the bear follows them. Roar. They are climbed to the top of the tree. Look, climb and wait. They are all very scared. Scared. The big mother bear, this is a big mother bear, turns around and goes back to the cave and her baby. The children go back to find the other. Yes, back, where the teacher is. Teacher! And the other students. When they arrive, everybody is sitting together having their lunch. Yes? Susan tells everybody about their adventures. Susan said, "Oh, we looked baby bear and we want to eat him, but listen around and we run and run and climb on the tree and the mother of the baby, the mother's baby around the tree and back to cave." Yes? Everyone laughed at the story except the teachers. Oh my God. Okay. Susan regresa y cuenta toda esta aventura. Dice, oh, queríamos alimentar al bebé, encontramos un bebé oso y después escuchamos un ruido. La mamá, era la mamá osa, nos persiguió, nos tocó subirnos en el árbol y después la mamá dio vueltas alrededor del árbol y se regresó a su cueva con su bebé. Ella cuenta toda esta historia, pero los profesores, todos se rieron. But the teachers, no. They are all very serious. You should never get close to a wild animal, Mrs. Johnson tells them. You never close. And the mother is very, wait for me one moment, and the mother are very protective and very dangerous. Yes, the mother of baby bear is protect the baby and it's dangerous. And you should never give wild animal food. ¿Ok? No le deben, dice, la mamá osa protege a su bebé, entonces se vuelve peligrosa y usted no debe, nunca debe darle comida a los animales salvajes. The children are tired and happy when they get home. They had an adventure and learned an important lesson. Okay, this is the finish of the story.